Sit back and enjoy the latest examples of construction technology that is making a positive impact on the world. Are you prepared to upgrade that worn-out patio or deck? Say goodbye to stained wood or cracked concrete, advises one American retailer. They sell composite floor tiles with a texture that resembles wood. Fibers from bamboo and wood are combined with polymer resins to create the tiles. The standard version has a square design and weighs 2.4 pounds. It's perfect for balconies, showers, and pool areas. If the area is sufficiently flat and free from major flaws, these tiles can be laid immediately on top of old surface materials because they won't rot and are also resistant to mold and insects. One tile is about $6. You won't believe what this next technology can do. Our next visit is Germany, where one of the major producers of construction supplies has its corporate headquarters. Their injection resin, essential for quick sealing, is one of their products. The resin can also be used to seal water-bearing fractures with an opening width of up to 0.2 inches in concrete and masonry. In a matter of seconds after coming into contact with water, a quick reaction causes the resin to expand by 60 times its original size. Even under pressure, it can stop water and the resin's service life is unlimited. A specific chemical is available that can be utilized for increased stability in exceptionally challenging circumstances. Sandy City, Utah is where a property developer decided to build warehouses and office buildings because the local economy is booming, and one of the most important needs is a high-quality roof as the local climate is characterized by winters with heavy rains, snow, and winds. Engineers ultimately decided on a hybrid roofing system that consists of a polystyrene foundation and polysocyanurate components. The substance is extremely hard, won't absorb water, and can withstand both mechanical and chemical stress. In general, this option is less expensive, simplifies the job, accelerates installation, and requires less time on the site than its competitors. This German waterproofing method will undoubtedly be in demand as the need for new housing grows yearly. It aids in balancing out the stress between the tiles and the substratum. The material is appropriate for both indoor and outdoor operations, as well as for the substrata constructed on cement, concrete, and wood. The regular version has a thickness of 0.1 inches. However, there is also an XL version that has a thickness of roughly 0.3 inches. Considering that the waterproofing is made of polypropylene with felt on the back, it is especially helpful for laying heated floors. Take a look at this next construction technology. Let's add one more item from the US to our list. Even if you're not a professional, it enables you to finish your property with stone veneer fast and effectively. Our system can be installed, claims the business, if you can drive a screw into a wall. For finishing columns, you can purchase individual stone panels and specialty blocks. No specialized equipment or mortar is required. Additionally, you can work in any weather. The procedure is similar to playing with Legos, and if you don't have any friends to help, working alone is simple. The warranty is 50 years, so the seller claims it's not just an investment for aesthetics, but also one that will pay off over the long run. Speaking of remodeling, you should be aware of these concrete panels if you need anything more dramatic or simply wish to significantly alter the interior of a space. Installation should be simple as the producers say that they are twice as light as their competitors. For your particular project, the company is prepared to create custom panels of up to 8 feet long and 4 feet wide. The panel's thickness ranges from 0.5 to 2.5 inches, and if necessary, a two-person crew may simply cut them on the spot. Designers will be interested in 3D textures, which come in a variety of colors. You can visualize how the panels will fit into your room using a computer simulation of it. What is happening in Australia to improve the quality of life for Melbourne's expanding population? In order to create a park area, engineers had to reconstruct an outdated sewage system that was on the National Register of Historic Places. Fortunately, Regofill STB blocks were used to find a cutting-edge and workable solution. These polypropylene units combine the capacity for wastewater storage with that of filtration. The blocks typically measure 31.5 by 31.5 by 26 inches with a 107-gallon storage capacity. With the assistance of a small team, they were able to accomplish the project quickly, thanks to the simplicity of installation and the ease of carrying and joining the components. The decision to widen a roadway in Canada has sparked active construction there. The project needed the construction of a sizable system for gathering and moving river and stormwater, and local engineers did an excellent job. In just 4 days, 44 sections weighing a total of more than 5,820,000 pounds were installed. The straightforward construction process, which is reminiscent of a Lego set, is one of the success factors. The completed part has a height of around 11.5 feet and a length of about 250 feet. There is still a lot of work to be done, as this is only the first of 3 sections, but the workers didn't seem to mind because they installed them at a rate of up to 6 units each hour. Italy has energy issues, just like many other nations. Governments are aggressively looking for alternatives just because energy costs increased by roughly 76% in just August of this year alone. The usage of solar energy is specifically made possible by this advancement. Manufacturers advise consumers to stop the water, catch the sun. They propose a bitumen basis with a unique photovoltaic film affixed to it as a workable solution. The Naples project, the largest of its sort in the world, produces about 25 megawatts of electricity and is part of the company's portfolio. Even constructions with complex geometry can benefit from this technique, and once the job is done, the roof is safe to walk on. The Netherlands is next on the list, where they are choosing to build in a really creative way. For instance, beginning in 2025, all new structures constructed in the nation's capital must contain at least 20% wood or other biomaterials. Since the production of steel and concrete is so detrimental to the environment, the objective is to lessen reliance on these materials. Using this foundation is one way to conform to the new norms and follow the trend. It is customizable and enables you to swiftly construct wooden terrace, ramp, step, and other construction features. The foundation's installation requires almost no drilling in the ground, making it ideal for sustainability and saving money on maintenance. The next step is sensible water drainage solution that works well with paver stands and tile. The secret is that the upper half can be raised or lowered, making it a great choice for both new projects and renovation work. It can be built on sand or concrete base and is composed of PVC and aluminum. There are various sizes available, like these small-sized variations in the video, which cost $36 to the 5-foot-long variations. A Russian solution is displayed on your screen. Laying slabs is made easier and faster with the plastic edging. This variant has a wall thickness of 0.2 inches and a height of 2.3 inches, which when paired with the supporting ribs ensures sufficient structural stability. Sections can be twisted, and they also let you operate without putting down concrete around the edge, and they create slab borders that are invisible. Additionally, this edging will do a great job of holding tree beds that are circular in place, as well as playground coating. There is a cost of roughly $4 for each section. I've been waiting a lifetime for this next technology. A universal manhole cover is displayed on your screen. The German producers emphasize that these are appropriate for power lines, pumping stations, and heating systems. There are various applications, as you can see. The odd triangular shape is one innovation that makes the coverings easy to raise and also considerably more difficult to steal. Additionally, these triangles are self-locking and open to a full 100 degrees, substantially simplifying the lives of workers. Weight varies per model. There are alternatives, for instance, that weigh 57 and 79 pounds, and installation is simple. The end effect is also a very smooth ride for car owners. Do you love technology and tech devices? All of that and much, much more can be found here. So subscribe today. You won't be sorry.